Now that the Cybertruck's been out for a few years, we've seen tons of applications for it, from construction vehicles to plumbers and even police municipality vehicles. But this is something I'm super excited to share with you. This is our all-new bed storage system. Let's check it out. This bed storage system is constructed from stainless steel, not only matching the aesthetic finish of the factory Cybertruck, but also delivering a ton of strength for whatever professional field you have. In the extended position, it allows you a lot of access to both of these drawers. You're essentially just gonna pull up on whatever latch you want to pull these drawers out. And as they extend, they lock out unless you pull back on this clip to run the drawer back in. Now, while accessibility to these drawers being at the end of the truck bed is amazing, we also wanted to take into account there's a lot of room here that we don't want to sacrifice. And so in order to make sure that you have access to not only the drawers, but additional storage space in the truck bed and the factory rear lower compartment, we designed this specifically to be modular to move these drawers back and ensure that you still have access to the back half as well as the factory rear lower storage. And now we're going to retract this bed storage system so you can go ahead and maximize the amount of room and things that you can fit in your truck bed. Unclip the deck lid here. Once that's unclipped, all you do is walk over, grab one side, and walk it over like so. You also need to undo the retainer tabs on either side of the drawer system, which allows you to essentially send that drawer as far back as possible. Now, we do have automatic locks, so as soon as it reaches the other side, you'll be all set there. And then on the bed storage system itself, if you plan on driving in this configuration, all you need to do is unfold it, and we actually have straps to make sure the top of the deck lid is strapped down in this orientation as well. And as you can see, we have this storage system all the way retracted now, but it doesn't sacrifice or inhibit the ability to use these drawers. You can still reach over and pull them out as needed. Or if this is not accessible enough for you, you can essentially just pull the full retainer tab and have the drawers come all the way out, like so. You've seen this truck bed storage system in the extended position as well as the retracted position. Now, before you ask, yes, the factory power outlet is still accessible in any configuration of the bed storage system. Now, let's talk about the stainless steel itself. We designed this to essentially be a secondary truck bed, and it even comes with a bunch of reinforced tie downs to make sure that whatever you need is not going anywhere. I am currently sitting on our UP Invincible rear bumper with an optional side step. Not only does it increase your overall approach angle, but this side step increases your access to the rear truck bed, which is super useful for those who are keeping stuff in the back on a regular basis. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and let us know in the comments below, or check us out at unpluggedperformance.com.